In this lesson, we'll use this playground to test the creativity of AI models for web development and design. To begin, let's follow the instructions and select the body element on the page. We have a pre-written prompt designed to create an eye-catching hero section. This prompt instructs the AI to first ask clarifying questions about the topic and style before generating any code. Let's collapse the Properties panel to give us more room to work. For this task, we will use the Claude Sonnet 4.5 model, which is excellent for creative web design tasks. Now let's run the prompt. As instructed, the AI begins by asking for the topic or industry for our landing page. Let's choose health and fitness from the suggested options. Next, the AI asks about the desired style for the hero section, offering several creative directions. For our health and fitness theme, we'll select the calm and wellness-focused style. Now that we've provided our input, the AI is processing our request. It's taking the topic health and fitness and the style calm and wellness-focused and using them as creative constraints. Behind the scenes, it's generating the complete HTML structure and CSS styling needed to build this unique hero section from scratch. This process demonstrates how a conversational approach can lead to highly customized and well-designed results. And here's the final result: a beautifully designed, fully functional hero section. Try it with different models and inputs to evaluate their creativity.